So basically you need to have the run button on, and basically usually what I do is I just prime it once, not pushing it like this. It's going to start leaking fuel, it doesn't start. Just prime it once. I'm going to depress this rubber button fully to the bottom, and I want to let it go all of a sudden, and I want to hear a small suction noise in there. The rubber makes a squeaky noise, but I want to hear like something like a small suction, and that means for me it got fuel inside. Let's try. You heard that squeak? It's a small sound. It's not from the rubber, it's really inside. So let's just give it a try. Usually I will leave that on after shutting off. Let's try it again. So again, I depress it and let it go all of a sudden. You heard there's a squeak inside the rubber. Let's try it again. So it fires up very nicely. Usually the choke, I think I leave it this way. I think it's open, fully open, not closing it like this. Usually I fire up and I leave it like that for all time.